G'day, Dan back again for another video in this never-ending dive into our weapons. So right now we've worked out how to decrement our ammo and how to tell the player when they try and shoot their weapon that they've got no ammo. So what we need to do now is allow them to reload their weapon. So I've gone and coded this one offline, and I'm just going to walk you through it. So I created an icon, and it's a reload icon, and I've created this and placed it over the top of my ammo field. This is actually my ammo field, so this, say for my revolver, it starts at 6, works its way down to 0, and at 0 this icon will become visible. So how does that become visible? So at the moment it's set to invisible true, and its name is reload. So I've got some code on it. So ignore the on edit for the moment. Let's work on the double click. Let's ignore the double click. Let's look at our roles. So what I've done, we already had this if else statement where we were checking how much ammo you currently had and then decrementing it, and then if you ran out of ammo it would send a message. So if you are at this level, and realistically this is not really a required one here, but I've got window, reload, set visible, true. So window, reload, set visible, true, and so that icon would become visible. And because it's above the ammo field, it effectively disables the ammo field. It hides the ammo field. Then I added an extra if statement, and this one basically says if the amount of ammo left is 1 and the weapon uses ammo, then because we're about to decrement it to 0, I'm going to set window, this window, reload this object, set visible, true, and then if any other type of combination of uses ammo, but there is more than one ammo available, it will set visible to false, making this invisible. So that's how it becomes visible. So what happens when it becomes visible? Well, let's go and have a look at the object. Okay, so even then, before it becomes visible, on the off chance that you are out of ammo, GM calls the session an end, and when you boot back up, the default state for this object is invisible. So I have to do a check in the onInit. So onInit, if node weapon get child type equals weapon, I found that because this is a member of a list, and this list is actually a filtered list, so other items like ropes and backpacks and stuff are in there. I was getting some other errors, and I don't know if it's because of invalid data in one of those or something else, but I've just added the extra check. So if the type of item in this list is a weapon, so then it's showing up in our filtered list, and the object has an current ammo value of 0, and it has a and it has the field uses ammo is enabled or ticked, then it's going to set this icon visible as true, and that's what's happening. That's the check, and that's the action. And then because the character is going to reload that weapon at some point, either during the battle or after the battle, to reload, you'll double click on this icon, and it will set. So if node weapon get child ammo get value is equal to 0 and uses ammo is equal to 1, then self set visible is true. Okay, what is that doing? I don't think this line is actually required. Like it's there, and it's probably executing, but I'm pretty sure that this line is a dud. Let's cut it, and we'll reload the table and check. Then we're going to set up a message, so we declare the message array, we set the icon, and then here we are setting the value of the ammo field to its max ammo value. Then we are setting the visibility of this icon to false, and then we are delivering the text message, and the message reads Alexi reloads a revolver, or Stefan reloads a submachine gun. And com_deliver chat message is the actual delivery, and that's the function. So let's push this, let's test it out, and hopefully it'll work. I've just removed a piece of code out of here. So our revolver currently has 6 shots in it. We get involved in a firefight, and we hit, we miss, we hit. So we're down to three pieces of ammo. We hit, we miss, we miss, and we miss again, and our reload icon now appears. And if we want to reload, we just double click this icon, and it declares Christoph reloads a revolver. Now typically that's going to take an action, so if you do that during your turn, the GM will see it, they'll see your action's done. They might ask if you want to move or whatever else, but basically your attack is done, and it'll go on to the next person. Okay, that's it. That's a wrap. Thank you. I'll see you guys again soon.